Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Satria. I am from the Strategic Communication Department of 2022 in Multimedia Nusantara University. I'm here, I make a tutorial on how to make fried rice. Okay, stay tuned everyone. Well, here we have ingredients such as first, rice. For 2 is vegetables. In 3 is a chili. In 4 is onion. In 4 is garlic. In 6 is egg. And in 7 is soy sauce. In 8 is soy sauce. And 9 is oil. And now we will start cooking. The first step, put oil into hot pan. Yes. And wait in hot. The second step, add the garlic and red to pan. And saute until half cooked. The third step. And saute until half cooked in onion and garlic. On the third step, enter the chili to pan. The third step, enter the chili to pan. Yeah. So we stir for the onion, garlic, and chili on the pan. We stir together. To half cooked. The fourth step, add the eggs and to the pan. And stir together on onion, garlic, chili. Step 5, put rice to the pan. And we stir together on the put rice, add onion, garlic, chili, and egg. And 6, put the soy sauce for the pan. And stir together. And 8, put on the vegetable or the pan. For the 9, add a salt to pan. And stir together. There egg or cooked, warm cooked. Yeah, so delicious. It's in the name nasi goreng home Satria. We and fried rice is finishing. Yes, it looks so delicious. Yummy. Yummy. It of finish, and see you on the next video. Bye bye everyone.